Hello again, guys. Right, it's just gone 1:45 and I'm late for doing my chores, but I was waiting for some Euro news to see what happened, just out of interest really. Always be aware of the news. It was their sort of money printing scheme, whatever you want to call it. 12:45, and not to trade the news, just waiting to see what they did. They pushed it up, and I just wanted to get in on a potential reversal. So we're looking at a 5-minute chart. I managed to get the trade 22 pips, which is huge, and as you can see, this has gone down probably about 4 times that in 15 minutes, just busting through the levels. There you go, 115 pips. So why did I take this? Well, as I said, the news, 5-minute reversal. You know, always using my 3 candle reversals: low, high, high, low, high, 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 low, singing the song until the break of the penultimate candle. This one here gets busted through. Watching the higher time frames on the histo again. Not my normal sort of trade using the histo, but as I've said to you before, this histo has 1,001 ways to trade it as far as I'm concerned, the RSI histo alerts, and I'm just scratching the surface at the moment. So I think a lot of indices traders were waiting for this potential drop. Not that I read anything about that or trade anything to do with that, but you know, if what they say aligns with my my own analysis and the way of trading, my own indicators, then I'll have a go. So M1 again was very critical in this, in that the RSI had pulled back. There's the trend: high, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. Let's say that's swing 3, the close, pull back, swing 4, continuation. And you know, you can't help but you know, you can't help but see things that happen on this RSI that are just amazing. I mean, here's a break. The bust and break was here as well. There. Here's another break and bust, and look what happened when that, or bust and close, break and close, should I say. That's my own terminology. And look, the price just didn't look back. It's absolute crashed. So I implore you guys, you know, we've got stuff going on over here as well. Fabulous pullback there, then a break and close above the high there, and then massive move. So, you know, if you just spent 2 years studying this and playing with this, you would make a fortune. I'm convinced of it. So, you know, just step back from all the noise out there on all these thousands and thousands of Twitter feeds, and just, you know, even if you never listen or talk to me again, just take that free indicator away from this. Pure price action and trading the levels. Oh, and the reason I chose my level for take profit was here it is here, the test of this previous, the last resistance broken in the up move, more often than not gets tested as support in the down move. The first one will potentially cause a bounce as well. You know, I'm talking about this this whole move down. Once we've broken through this level here, of course, but always be aware of resistance becoming tested as support. Remember, my mantra is tests and retests, and you will, you know, you can draw the levels and watch the price action. That's how you learn, guys. Don't just take it from me. Draw your own levels and just watch what price does to them, or how it reacts to them, and then you don't need anything else. You know, I mentioned in a previous tweet on my Twitter feed about the 2B reversal. The 2B reversal was what inspired me to just concentrate on pure candlesticks, because that's all Vic Sperandio did, Trader Vic. He had that pattern, and he said if it breaks such and such a bar, and it will go down, and it will most likely use the stop loss between the high bar and a target of the previous low of swing 1, if you like. You know, sorry to go off topic a bit, but I'm talking about pure candlestick analysis. That's all you need. You know, the MA is useful for rubber band when you're potentially looking at a pullback to the rubber band, but all this stuff is secondary. That's secondary. This is really no equal first with price action now. So anyway guys, thanks for watching, have a great day. Oh, like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you, and tell your mates.